Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Docs app on your phone. To begin, open the app icon from your home screen or app drawer. Once inside, tap the plus sign, usually located at the bottom right, to create a new document. You can choose a blank document or select from many pre-designed templates, like a resume or meeting notes. This initial step sets you up for seamless document creation right from your mobile device. Now that you have a document open, let's explore editing. To select text, simply tap and hold, then drag the handles. You will see options to cut, copy, or paste. Look for the icon, which usually opens formatting tools, allowing you to change font type, adjust size, or apply bold and italic styling. You can also easily align text, creating left, center, or right justifications. These features give your document a polished, professional look. The Docs app makes saving and sharing incredibly simple. Most apps automatically save your progress to the cloud every few seconds, so you never lose your work. To share, tap the three dots or share icon at the top right. You can send a link, email the document directly, or invite specific people to collaborate. Real-time collaboration allows multiple users to edit the same file, perfect for group projects or quick revisions. It is secure and efficient. To maximize your productivity, consider some advanced features. Many apps allow offline access, letting you work without an internet connection. You can often see a version history, enabling you to revert to earlier drafts. Try voice typing for efficiency. Just tap the microphone icon on your keyboard. Also, keep your workspace tidy by creating dedicated folders for different projects. These pro tips will help you master your mobile document workflow and stay organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.